Okay, guys. Hey, so I blew out the stuff. The cylinder looks okay on that side, but first I'm going to, I want to do a compression check. So we're going to break it all down. I'm covering this so I don't get anything down into any dirt at this point down in the intake boot. I don't want to get anything in there down in the cylinder casing toward the piston to hurt it. So let's start and let's take the M4 here, M4 here. And your two muffler and muffler screws. Take the side plate off. My fault. That's up. It's one of the 10 tops. Okay. That comes off there. Always got to do it's always interesting getting the a nice bug to add to your collection. Always nice to try to get those. You got your muffler. Let's see here. Oh, there we go. The muffler came out. Got our pieces here. Muffler looks pretty good. Gasket looks good. Got a little carbon buildup, but we can clean all that out. Put a port in there. Open her up a little. Sounds like a winner. Oh, she's a dirty girl. So let's see what the cylinder has. The tail of the cylinder. See how we can see down here and see what's going on. The piston looks pretty good. I'm impressed. It's got some cross hatching, got a little bit of brown, not too bad. Rings look really good. Really good. Oh, she looks nice. The back wall looks good. Looks a little. Back wall's a little scrapey. So we'll see. We'll see what she shows us on the compression and see what happens there. So let's just continue to take off the tank for one. Take the other M4 out. This M4. There's so much. Well, that one is downright stripped, but strip, I go to my original Stihl. That's interesting. Somebody decided to replace a screw and put a Allen bolt, which doesn't belong there, which I'll be getting rid of. But let's see. But it is an M4. It's just a Allen top bolt. So, okay. Now we got the impulse line. Let's take off these will be our 2 plastic screws. Front 2 will be our 2 machine screws. Oh, man, that's dirty. Needs some serious cleaning. But she's there. She's workable. Let's see. Okay. So now take the last thing off so that I can get the last part of the boot. There, holds the boot on tight. And now I can get the whole thing slide off over top of the boot. I actually want to keep the boot on because I don't want to get junk down in the engine yet. That piston looked too pretty for me to do anything to mess it up. So we're going to get that. You just have to take your time here. Always just take your time game with the plastic. Okay, so, boy, she's dirty. Been sitting in a barn for a long time. There's my screw, but she's good. She doesn't look like she has any leaks. I know the wire down here is or the fuel line's completely shot because I know that's rotten. Okay, so we got that covered. I'm gonna pinch this off. And I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna clean this off a little bit, and then I'll come right back and we'll do a compression test, and we'll see how if this this nice piston can stay. Hopefully it doesn't have any we don't have any leaks in the seals. If we don't have any leaks in the seals, that piston looks nice. And we can clean the carbon up. That's just a matter of old running and running with certain different fuels and additives and stuff. So but we'll get her all cleaned up, put her back together, and she'll run like a little scalded dog. So okay, let me get her cleaned up and we'll come right back and we'll do a compression test on her and we'll find out what we got. See how good she is. Hang loose, saw lugs.